Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm also the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I am a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. So Scott, tell me what's going on with your legs, like when I saw you several years ago, and how long we had the treatment, how much pain and symptoms you had for your back and legs.
Right, primarily my legs.
Okay.
And I was having some issues
Mm-hmm.
on my sit to stand,
Mm-hmm.
weaknesses in the muscle,
Okay, in the quad muscles?
in the quad muscles. Yeah.
Okay.
And your treatment over time
Mm-hmm.
pretty much eliminated that problem. I haven't had any issues for the last couple of years.
So, how much pain did you experience before the treatment when we started on
Quite a
average?
bit.
0 to 10?
Like a 5.
Five.
Every time I stood up.
Sit to stand, you
Yeah,
felt
That
that.
was a real problem.
And you feel it in your quads, and did you have
Yeah.
back pain? What other symptoms
no
did you
real
have?
back pain. It was
Just
more in the quads.
more in the quad muscles. And how many years roughly ago?
It's been at least 2 years. I think.
At least 2 years. Okay.
And no real problems.
No
I just
real problem.
As long as I walk regularly,
Uh-huh.
keep the muscles busy, it's fine.
That's good. Yeah. And any how long was the treatment when we had it?
We did a couple months of treatment, I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the ASTR treatment? Before that,
Yeah, it was very effective for that.
before that, did you have any other treatment
No.
for your quads? No. Okay. So what do you think about the ASTR treatment, like perspective after you had the treatment and a couple of years?
Very good. Very
And you don't have symptoms now?
No symptoms.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get updates about helpful information and tips and tricks on how to relieve your pain and your patient pain. Also, there's over 170 videos, most of them actually real treatment videos. I'm showing how I use ASTR instrument on the patient, and you can actually see the result in the video with the real treatment videos. If you are a healthcare provider, feel free to register for ASTR class so to learn how to actually treat your patient effectively. In ASTR class, I actually utilize over a 400 research study. That's actually what I use as part of the treatment, and that's what I will go over with a health practitioner to learn how to practice effectively based on research study. See you soon.